Welcome back, my Anbu Elite, to another bow staff tutorial. Today we're going to do the under leg catch or transition. As you see in the previous part of this video, you can use it for multiple types of transitions to multiple types of techniques, like so. Before we continue, I'd like for those of you who are new to this channel, I want you to hit that subscribe button, also comment gaining for you to earn the ranking of gaining on this channel, also to help support the channel, and I appreciate every one of y'all. Let's get on to it. Okay, so before we go ahead and do with the extra jump kick and stuff that you saw earlier, what I want you to practice is the transitioning of the bow staff from one side to the other, like so. Pretty much put it right in front of you, both hands on the bow staff, here, and try working on getting closer to your midsection, to your abdominal, so you can practice transitioning from one side to the other. Once you get used to it, you can pretty much transition over here, crossover, here, making it easier for the transition. Practice that before going on to the next part. All right, the next part is right here. We're gonna add our kick into it, but we're not gonna do a high kick. We're gonna do a low kick. So we're gonna build our leg up first, no matter which leg. We're gonna go ahead and cross over like we did with our midsection, like that. Here, that, here, that, here, that. Simple. Practice that. I would say 3 sets of 10, so you get used to that. Hey, you can go and practice with the leg too. Simple, right? Now, let's say for instance you want to do a spinning axe kick, and you want to go ahead and incorporate that to transition into it. So what you're going to do is that you're going to take a step like this, and you're going to kick that leg up, outward like this, like you do an axe kick. We're going to go ahead and add that transition in. So step right here, boom, position, boom, like this. Now be advised, this part right here, I want you to be very careful. Be sure to practice the first 3 steps before performing this one. I really do hope you take your time with this. Don't rush into it and hurt yourself. This part right here we're going to be doing is involving the jumping spinning axe kick along with the transition. So what we're going to do is that like we did before, instead of us lifting up that leg for an axe kick, we're going to be jumping and bring the axe kick. But this time we're going to transition like so. Momentum, step here. Go ahead and throw that kick like the last one, the last 3rd step. Throw that jumping spinning axe kick transition. And then go ahead and add a little flair to it too. You know, we do a spin. You can. So all together it's going to look like this. So that's the end of that tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and feel free to rewind the videos back as much time as you can to get that part down. Also, if you want to earn the rank of gaining like this guy here, go ahead and comment down gaining in the comments, and I'll shoot you a link to a video that's going to show you the whole workout. Still got to make the whole video of how the whole workout looks, but don't worry, I'll get to you that soon. Hit that like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Help support the channel, purchase some merch. You know what to do. See you guys soon.